Professor Sir Edwin V. Palma, to our beloved schoolmate Sir Michael M. Perigo, to our active PIC Ma'am Cirilo C. De la Cruz, to our Orteg Barangay Captain Mark A. Maber, together with the Barangay Council, to our dear teachers, students, respected parents, classmates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with utmost joy and pride that I welcome all of you to our moving up ceremony. We are happy for the first big milestone in our young life. Get ready for a morning filled with joy, laughter, and heartwarming memories as we look forward to our better future. On behalf of the 13th class 2024-2025, I welcome you all to our moving up ceremony to celebrate this day with us. Thank you very much. Good morning.